ready to transform your finances forever. Imagine waking up every day knowing your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and your investments are working, even while you sleep. Sounds impossible? Think again. In this video, I'm sharing the 6 Simple Steps Financial Makeover Plan. It's helped thousands go from broke to unstoppable, drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, or just ready to level up. This is your moment. Step 1. Build the foundation. Define your rich life. A rich life isn't just about stacks of cash. It's about living intentionally, owning a cozy home, traveling the world, spoiling your kids guilt-free. Ask yourself, what brings you joy? What are you spending on that doesn't? Pro tip: write it down. Your goals will guide your financial plan. Track and attack expenses. Don't obsess over every dollar. Focus on big wins. Housing, transportation, and debt often eat up most income. Let's fix that. Comment below what's your biggest money leak: rent, groceries, something else. Conscious spending plan: no budgets allowed. 50 to 60% fixed costs: rent, bills, groceries. 10 to 15% investments build wealth automatically. 5 to 10% savings: vacations, emergencies. 20 to 35% guilt-free spending: enjoy life. Does this work for you? Drop your thoughts below. I'll reply to as many as I can. Step 2. Bulletproof your finances. Emergency fund first. Build a safety net for life's unexpected costs, car repairs, medical bills, or sudden job loss. Goal: save 3 to 6 months of expenses. High-yield savings accounts work best. Comment 1 if you already have one. Comment 2 if you're just starting. Destroy debt with focus. Debt is like quicksand. Here's how to escape. List all debts, interest rates, and minimum payments. Pay off high-interest debts first. This is the avalanche method. Call your lender today and ask for lower rates. Yes, it works. Who's ready to make that call? Type phone in the chat if you'll try it today. Step 3. Grow wealth. While you sleep, invest like a pro: no stress. Use low-cost index funds for long-term growth. Automate contributions to a Roth IRA or 401k. Start small, just $50 a month. Grows into $500,000 plus. Compound interest is magic. Need tips? Comment below. Step 4. Conquer money mindset blocks. What's your money story? I'm bad with money. Rich people are greedy. Sound familiar? Rewrite those scripts. Drop a limiting belief below. I'll help reframe it. Talk to your partner about money. Money talks don't have to be awkward. Try this. Share goals: dream trips, early retirement. Celebrate wins: paid debt, saved $500. Set one action step together. Did it help? Share your story below. Step 5. Negotiate everything. Want a raise? Document wins at work. Research market salaries. Practice this line: I'd like to discuss a raise. How much are you worth? Drop your dream salary below. Cut costs without sacrifice. Call credit card companies. Ask for lower rates. Renegotiate internet and phone bills. Cancel unused subscriptions. I saved $400 last month. Who else has savings wins? Comment and share below. Step 6. Scale up your rich life. Automate everything. Set direct deposits to savings and investments. Use automatic bill payments. Create guilt-free spending accounts. Monthly money check-ins. Celebrate wins: paid debt, raised income. Track changes: expenses, savings, investments. Adjust goals as needed. Vacations? New priorities? What's your top financial goal? Share below so we can cheer you on. Final thoughts. Your turn if you've made it this far. You're already ahead of 90%. Now it's your turn to act. Take control of your money. Questions to ponder. What does your rich life look like? What's one spending habit to change? What's holding you back from starting today? I'm here to help. Drop questions below, subscribe for more tips, and share this video with a friend.